Hey students, a very good morning to all of you. Students, this video is in continuation of your previous one. In this video, we are going to cover our second subject, which is mathematics today. So you all have to bring out your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit, 2 of 2 joyful D-book. Along with it, you must have to carry a sharp pencil and eraser with you. So I'm waiting for you all. You all have to be ready with your mathematics book as well as your sharp pencil and eraser. We are going to cover our same concept of division with the help of division board, okay, with a new worksheet. So first of all, as usual, what we will do before, we will do those sums which I'll give you as a homework. First of all, we will cross check our answer and then we will shift towards our new worksheet. So hurry up students, first of all be ready and then we will continue. I hope so that now you all are ready. Let's open your book. Come on page number 4848, which we already covered in our last session. So here what we will do, we will solve few sums which I'll give you as a homework. Okay, I will tell you the answer. You just have to cross check it that is your answer is correct or not. Fine. Let's start now students. So I give you these two sums, these two last sum as a homework. So the very first equation is 24 divided by 3. Okay, what this equation means, students? That means you have 24 objects. Okay, that objects may be these beans, that objects may be toffees, that objects may be candies, and number of resources, buttons, right? So total amount you must have is 24. Okay, you have 24 objects. Now, you have to use those 24 objects to divide among 3 persons. Okay, we put these kettles on 1, 2, 3. That means these are the 3 person in which you have to divide those 24 objects. Okay, so one by one we keep on dividing. 1, 2, if you are using beans, so you have to place your beans on these circles. If you are using crayons, okay, if you are using crayons, so you have to color those circles. Okay, that's the way you must have to follow while using any of the particular resource. Am I clear to you all? Okay, I hope so. I am clear now. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, 24. So students, we divide our 24 beans among 3 persons. Now what we will do? We will see the control chart that each person will get how many beans. Means हर एक person को equal number of beans कितनी allot हुई है, कितनी मिली है. Let's check. So our control chart will tell us that each person will get 8 beans. How many? 8 beans each will get. But we are not sure that our answer is correct or not. But how we will sure? We will count and then we will make sure that our answer is correct or not. So let's count. Firstly, we will count the first person beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is correct. Let's count the second one. क्या इसको भी सेम नंबर ऑफ बीन्स मिली है या नहीं मिली है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, still Now our answer is correct. Let's count the third person. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Yes, so our answer is correct. Okay, students, so you will write 8 over here. Hmm. Okay, let's do the next one. So here the equation is 27. Earlier, we have 24 beans. Now, we have how many? 2, 7, 27. We have more beans now. How many? 27. But these 27 beans you have to divide among again 3 persons. आपके पास बीन्स ज्यादा है अब बट आपको वही बीन्स को क्या करना है 27 पर्सन सॉरी 3 पर्सन में 27 बीन्स को डिवाइड करना है इक्वली उनको अलॉट करनी है सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ ओके सो फॉर दैट व्हाट आई विल डू आई विल फर्स्टली इरेज इट ओके ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझ आए लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ स्टूडेंट्स सो आई विल keep on dividing in both of my friends 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27, 27. So here I divide all of my beans. How many beans I have? 27. So I divided all my beans among these 3 persons. So let's see how much they get. Let's count. One, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they get 9 number of beans, right? Each one will get 9 number of beans. So you will write your answer over here. And students, you are going to cross check your answer with this. Okay? If the answers are correct, that means you know this method very well. Now we will turn our page and do our next worksheet. That is our homework. Now we have to do this worksheet. As you know, this is a new worksheet. So what you will do first? You will write the date on top. So kindly do your part and then we will do our new worksheet. Okay? So let's do it. I'm waiting till then you complete this. I hope so that now you all have done with this task. Let's come down. Students, see, this is the same method of doing division, right? We have to do it with division board. Simply the equations are changed, right? And earlier you are divided among 2 person, then you will divide it among 3 person. Now, today we have to divide among 5 person. All right? So that is the change. Now what we will do, we will read this information and then let's start. Use kettles and beans or buttons to divide. Okay, in a similar way we have to divide. So firstly what we will do, we will read the first equation and then we will keep on doing our equation. So the very first equation is 5 divided by 5. That means students, see, this is the symbol of division. Every time, whenever you have to do division, you have to show that symbols. Okay, otherwise you don't come to know that what you have to do. Okay, so if you see each and every equation, there is a symbol of division that will denote us that we have to do division in that particular worksheet. If there is multiplication, the sign of multiplication is there, then we come to know that we have to do multiplication in that. Okay, so symbols are very much important. The symbol of division, the symbol of multiplication, that is the symbol of addition, right? And what about the symbol of subtraction? This. Fine. So symbols are very much important. So we are on this equation 5 divided by 5. That means you have how many number of beans? You have 5 number of beans. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I take 5 beans. Now what I will do? I will place it. These 5 beans I will place it. So let's start now. So these 5 beans I have to divide among my 5 friends, my 5 besties. So what I will do? I will take one bean, give it to my first friend. So there I'll put. Then I will take second bean and give it to the second friend. Then give it to the third friend. Then fourth friend, fifth friend. I have 5 beans and I give each one bean. I'm not having any of the bean in my hands. That means I divide all my 5 beans among these 5 friends. So, what is the answer? Each one will get one, 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 one bean. हर एक को one bean allot हुआ है, right? So that's your answer. Your answer is number 1. That means each friend will get one bean. Okay? Let's solve the next question. So here it is 10 beans divided among 5 friends. So I have how many beans? I have in total 10 beans. I will take it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have total 10 beans. Now, what I will do? I will divide it among my 5 friends. Let's come up and divide my 10 beans. So, first of all, I will give to the first. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I divide my all 10 beans among my 5 friends. How many each will get? Let's see. Let's count. So first one will get 2 beans. One, 2. Second one will also get 2. Third one, 2. Fourth, 2. 5, 2. And our control chart is also tell us 2. So students, that means when we divide 10 beans among 5 friends, each will get 2 beans. How many beans? 2 beans in number. Okay, let's do the next equation. So here I have how many beans? Total 15 beans. Total 15 beans I am having. So again, you have to divide 15 beans among your 5 friends. So let's start now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So students, see, I'll divide total 15 beans among my 5 friends. So let's see how much each will get. So each will get 3 beans. So your answer is number 3. So you will write your answer over here. Let's write it. 3. Answer is 3. Okay, let's do the next equation. So here, the next equation you will read. Tell me what is given in this equation? Ma'am, 20 divided by 5. Yes, you have how many beans? 20 beans. And how you will split it? Among how many persons? Five number of persons. Let's start now. Hmm. Chal. Let's do it. So, firstly, take your pencil in your hands. If you are using crayon, so you just use crayon for that. So, 20 beans you have to split. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So you divide 20 beans among your 5 friends. Now tell me how much each will get? Ma'am, each will get 4 beans. Yes, that means each will get how many beans? 4 beans. So you will write your answer over here in this box. Your answer is number 4. Now you have to solve this equation. Okay? I'm waiting. You have to tell me the answer. Hurry up, do it fast. I'm watching. You have to do it. So students, hurry up, do it fast. Tell me what's your answer. Okay. Who already solved that, you just have to raise your hands, okay? So here you have to divide 25 among 5 persons. So let's find what's our answer. Ma'am, my answer is 5. Okay. Let's see what's our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25, 25. Okay, so we already distribute our 25 beans among our 5 friends. Let's see, each will get how many beans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our control chart is also showing us same answer. It's 5. So, what's our answer? Our answer is number 5. What is it? 5. Right? Now what we will do? We will do the next equation. So our next equation is 30 divided among 5 persons. So let's come up and let's divide 30 beans among 5 persons. So we have to divide 30 among 5 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, okay, 27, 28, 29, and 30, right? So students, let's see how many each will get. So each will get six number of beans, right? So each will get six number of beans. You can count it also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you count each row, you will get your answer 6. That means each person will get how many beans? 6 beans. And that's your answer. So you will write it over here. The rest three are your homework. Rest you have to do by on. Okay. And in our next class, we will discuss the answers. Okay. So that's it for your today session. You have to complete this worksheet by today and then share it to me on time. One more thing I want to say. Okay, students, every one of you, I'm talking about each and every child. Now, you all are grown up child, okay? You all are responsible towards your studies, right? So students, make sure at exit 10 a.m. you all have to be ready to mark your attendance. ओके आपने अच्छे से रेडी होकर आपको अपनी अटेंडेंस रेगुलर बेसिस पर मार्क करनी है ओके दैट्स योर ड्यूटी फर्स्ट ड्यूटी व्हेन यू गेट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग okay at 10 you have to mark your attendance and every single student have to mark his or her attendance by on. If you are not going to mark your attendance, then absent should be marked. Okay, keep this thing in your mind. So be responsible towards your attendance. That's it. Have a good day. After marking your attendance, you have to send your previous day work to me for checking. Okay? If you are not going to send your work for checking, so how I will know that what are you doing at home? How you will find your corrections which you all have to do. Okay, so these two things are very much important which you all have to do on regular basis. Share your homework, mark your attendance. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. From now onwards, I expect that you all have to be ready at 10 a.m. regularly. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.